Hello everybody, I know I am a little late with my summertime snacks taste test, but theoretically summer has one more month left and I have a very special guest I needed to wait for. And here she is. It's my niece Nicole! Yay! And she is so excited because she is going to start with the sweet stuff. So I'm gonna let her pick the first thing.
So I have been waiting for this. I've literally been torturing my aunt about this. It is the cotton candy flavored creamy Oreos.
Can't wait.
Oh my god, wait, look at them.
Oh, wait, let me show everybody. They're like blue and pink.
Wait, this one doesn't look good.
Oh, they all look the same.
That one had too much crumbs on it.
What does it smell like too?
Oh, it doesn't smell like cotton candy, that's for sure.
All right, let's see, Jayne.
Oh my god. Okay. So
It tastes like berry to me. I'm not getting cotton candy. You are getting cotton candy? Maybe my taste buds are just too old and yours are young, so they taste differently. You like them?
Oh yeah.
Oh good, they're going home again. Oh, I'm excited about this one.
Is the Kit Kat churros. Me personally, if I see a churro,
Yeah.
I will buy the churro.
You like churros?
Churros are delicious.
Where'd you have them?
In my school cafeteria.
The school cafeteria
Yeah.
has them.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get no churros in my school cafeteria.
Well, that was a long time ago.
Okay, let's see.
Let's open it.
I'll open it. Smells very cinnamony. Cinnamon.
Because
Churros.
it's flavored churros.
Right.
And churros have cinnamon.
So they're like a beige color.
Oh, these are good.
These taste like churros to me. I like this one. You give it a 10 out of 10?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that cinnamon, it hits you with the hand. I like that. Very good, thumbs up. You choose next.
So the next thing is these Reese's.
So they're new Reese's Puffs. They have little puffs in them. Go ahead.
Okay, wait.
You don't know that Mimi Pat likes me? I like my Reese's. She's never said that to you? Go ahead, imitate Mimi Pat liking Reese's.
I like my. I can't.
It's okay. Take your time and try again.
Can we just get on to eating the Reese's?
All
I'll
right.
eat one half and you eat
All right, you
the
can act later.
These are good. They're hard to
Yeah,
see,
right.
but there are some puffs in there.
I'll show them.
I love crumbs.
Let me see. You
Oh
do?
yeah, there are a lot of. I know.
This is like the cereal inside of a Reese's. Exactly what it says it is. Go find this. Oh my god, that's real. I like this one. This is my favorite so far.
It's very hard to eat peanut butter.
It is. It's a hard thing. It sticks to the roof of your mouth. Speaking of that,
We got more.
you do? I knew that.
Sure you did.
So next is the Reese's popcorn. You excited about that?
Yes.
It's Reese's
But-
drizzled popcorn.
Well, I'm honestly interested in this one.
Oh, there's like little pieces of Reese's in it.
Wait, let me see. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Not sure about this one. Wait.
Oh, good.
Oh, wow. Oh,
I thought that the popcorn would be drizzled, but there's like little pieces
yeah.
of
Oh.
Reese's. Like on the cover, it looks
It
like the
doesn't-
popcorn is drizzled with the Reese's, but it's not. Unless this
Listen.
bag has just been sitting there too long. It's good though, right? What do you think?
It's great. I love it.
Like when you go to the movie theater, sometimes I would get popcorn and then put like my chocolate in there and mix it up.
How could you do that?
Because it's delicious. Try it one day.
I will.
You like it, huh?
I will.
Let's do the funfetti popcorn.
Wait.
It has a funfetti glaze.
This guy, if you see this logo, I don't know what the brand is called, but if you see this guy,
yeah, Pillsbury Doughboy.
yeah, they make like these cute cookies. There's like, it's like seasonal. Like there's like Christmas ones, there's fall ones.
I'm telling Pillsbury to sponsor you because you like them so much.
I love cookies.
Let's see if you like these.
But they have like seasonal cookies and everything. They've got like Easter ones. They
have good cookies.
They've got Valentine's ones. They even have like snowflake ones for like January.
Yeah.
And then they've got like, I think they have summer ones. Do they have some? This is good.
It really tastes like confetti.
Pillsbury,
Oh,
sponsor me, please.
these are really good. Oh my god, it tastes like cake and popcorn mixed together.
They got like confetti.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Like the
Let's
cookies.
change everything.
We change everything. Everything. If you would be so kind to grab the other two. Thank you. Ooh, the face. So these are new from Hostess. Well, kind of new. And can you be my eyes and read it?
So, this is from Hostess, which you already said. And these are the Kaz bars. Are they called?
Yes, Kaz bars. You said it right.
What? And they are crunchy, creamy, and they are layered.
Yes, and they're chocolate caramel.
Like a cake.
It's like a chocolate caramel cake. And you know Hostess makes some good little, you ever have a ring ding or whatever. Okay, so they're individually wrapped.
For walking this, you make the best ring dings.
They do. These look good. Oh, these are gonna be good. Wait for it, guys. Oh yeah, baby, look at that.
Okay, wait.
Look at that,
And
Nicole. We gotta eat this.
I'm thinking the same exact thing.
Oh my goodness, the little crunchies. Oh my god. I could eat the whole box of these.
The
whole box.
I felt that crunch.
That's really good. Try it. You taking a whole one? Well, since we like those, they have another one, and they're called Bouncers, which is a Lay's chocolate ding dong version. They're not alright, they're good. You don't know what you're talking about.
You don't have taste and sweetness.
You have a cold, you can't taste nothing.
Yeah.
Ripping them open like I'm going to the electric chair. Bouncers! Yay. Okay, let's see. Kind of hard to... Oh! They're like little...
Yeah, they're like...
I don't know what, that one must have got crushed.
If you see cake pops, it's like...
It looks like a cake pop.
Yeah, it looks like a cake pop, but it's
Take
not
one.
a cake.
Cheers. It's a little too dry for me.
Yeah.
It is basically ding dongs, which are very dry. I thought maybe they'd have like a chocolate glaze on them.
I'm gonna have to let you on in a little secret. We didn't just get sweet. We got
Some salty.
salty.
So
That is why I have a spit cup.
first I want to do, I'm done and trying these. They were out for the summer. Lay's had a couple of limited edition flavors. And this is, sorry if I'm all messy, the Cuban sandwich. I've never had a Cuban sandwich, but it looks like a Cuban sandwich. A Cuban sandwich is lettuce, ham, it looks like cheese, some other stuff. I don't know. Let's just try it.
Did I just put it that way? Let it smell. It smells like a sandwich!
You're trying it.
No.
Yes, you are. You said you try it. Yeah, I'll give you a little piece. It looks like a regular.
You really had to buy these? You really had to buy these.
They do have a strong taste of lettuce, which you
sorry.
probably hate.
I love
I don't
Lay's.
mind them.
I love Lay's.
That's
Don't
my-
judge me. I love the sour cream and onions. I love the regular. Who doesn't like the regular? But this,
It tastes like lettuce and ham.
I mean, I like ham.
What do you
It's very
think?
strong.
Yeah.
So like I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Like I know we're not rating stuff.
I wouldn't
but,
eat
like,
the whole bag.
Yeah, no.
Okay, we ever have a BLT sandwich? You know what a BLT is? Sorry, I didn't know if you knew what it was. Do you know what a BLT is?
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh, I thought you were rolling your eyes like you did. BLT is bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Your favorite tomato. She hates tomatoes. It smells like bacon.
No, 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 it does not.
You're trying it. I'll give you a little piece. You said you
Wait.
tried. Wash the taste away of the Cuban sandwich. Ready? Take a deep breath.
No. I'm not. I'm brushing my teeth tonight. Not smelling like a ham
Well, you're
sandwich
supposed to
tomorrow.
anyway. It tastes like barbecue chips.
You know what? You're right.
Right?
You do. When I have a sandwich, I don't want
Tomato.
like
She stuff.
I don't want a lot.
You want the meat and you
I'll
want
do
the
peanut-
bread.
I'll do peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'll do ham sandwiches. Like, I'll do turkey sandwiches. Like depends on the bread.
Okay.
I don't want a BLT sandwich. That's,
Well, you don't like tomato. I think that's the biggest thing with you. You eat bacon?
yeah.
Alright, you don't like the tomato. I
Do
think.
I eat lettuce? No.
Oh, sorry. No veggies for you.
But I do like bacon. Bacon.
Do you like ketchup?
No.
Good, because these are sandwiches. Ketchup
Stop it.
from
Wow.
hers. Oh. Just try it.
No.
You have to.
Oh my god.
Just, I'll give you a little tiny piece. See, I like these. They smell like ketchup, and when you eat them, they taste like spicy barbecue.
They don't smell like ketchup. They smell like disgusting throw up.
Well, since you hate ketchup,
Hers,
let's
chips are not disgusting, but I just
No.
don't like ketchup. All right. The smell.
I'm gonna pre-open this.
You're killing me here.
I know.
Oh my god. No. So grateful you got me.
I take it you didn't like those. Last but not least, we're gonna try a sauce. This is Heinz Chili. So it's a ketchup chili mix, which I'm gonna put into a cup. And we're gonna try the chili with Hal's chips. I wanna say something about Hal's for a second. Hal's is from Long Island. They're always very nice to me. They make the best chips. So we're gonna take something we know that's good and put it to something that's potentially bad.
Agreed. I just don't like ketchup.
Well, you're having more.
Oh, this one.
All right, ready? You could just put a little bit.
It's spicy.
Oh, that is spicy.
It's very spicy.
Erica, you probably like this.
If you're watching.
Well, Nicole, I think we tried everything. Do you want to throw up? Oh, you did. She's going in for the second dip. So you like that?
I mean,
Or fries. It'd be good on fries with some like melted cheese.
it's very spicy, right?
It's good though. I like
It's
it.
nice.
All right. That's it. I hope you like Nicole. So Nicole's favorite were Oreos.
And I'm a Kit Kat person. I dressed up as a Kit Kat once for
So
going
you
to my
want?
friend's house.
So you're
I
gonna.
also love these
My favorite
and these.
were these Zaz bars. And believe it or not, I kind of like these ketchup chips because they were just like more spicy to me. Thanks for watching this. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching this. Like, comments. Oh my god, I can't talk.
Which means, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends so they can watch this too.
Perfect. You're hired.